Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So I've reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here of a Dacia Duster, the tire pressure indicator. We had a flat tire, we've just repaired it, and this is on how you can reset it. Turn off the ignition, turn back on the ignition, and then go through the menu by this button over here. Press it a couple times to find set TP, stands for set tire pressure. So repair your flat tire, then pump them up to the desired pressure, and then find this area, press and hold this button over here. When you see it blinking, don't release it till it stops blinking, and you'll see that the indicator disappears. Do your test and you'll see that the indicator is gone now. That was it for this video. This was how you can set the new tire pressure on a Dacia Duster 2015. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.